What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and install of the XS Power charge pipe for the BMW N54 engine. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so here we've got the clamps. They look pretty sturdy. Bolts look sturdy. We've got the hoses. The blow-off valve here. Some splitters for some vacuum lines and whatnot. And the actual blow-off charge pipe itself. Here we go. Take a look inside. It looks really well made, actually. Feels very sturdy. The welds look clean right there. And then around here. Well, let's get to it. Go ahead and start this install. So we didn't take a video of how we put this in here because it was a little difficult. So the first thing you want to do is clamp down these adapters to the car first. So you're going to clamp this one down here, and you can clamp this one down here, and then leave the tighteners on the brackets or the adapters, so that when you put the charge pipe on, the brackets are there for you to tighten up. So the way that we got this in here is you put it in all the way, delete, and you want to start from the back and front first. So the one that's in the front of the car, you want to try and put in first, and then you put in the one in the middle of the car. So it's going to be a little bit of a tight fit, but you kind of do like one side at a time. Push down on this end and pull up on this end every time, and then eventually you'll be able to turn it and everything will sit flush. So after you get that done, go ahead and tighten everything down, and then we can move on to the next step. And don't forget to plug in your MAP sensor as well. So the way you install the blow-off valve onto the charge pipe, they give you the rubber O-ring, and then they also give you this black snap ring. So the snap-on ring, you have to have snap-on pliers, or else, at least for us, it was very difficult for it to get on. We ended up using snap-on pliers to get this on. So go ahead and put the rubber O-ring on, put the snap-on ring on top of the blow-off valve, push that on top of the rubber O-ring, and then use your snap-on pliers to pretty much bring them completely together, and then push them down and have a friend kind of wiggle the rest of the ring into the groove that is on here, and then you're pretty much done. Make sure you buy cap covers for this. You can find them at any hardware store, pretty much like chair bottom caps, something along those lines. And after that, you are pretty much done.